Ability AI, improving emotional intelligence with ChatGPT.
Hi there, it's Dom again. We're going to do a course on improving emotional intelligence with ChatGPT. So, emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions and the emotions of others. It plays a critical role in communication, empathy, stress management, and relationship building. Many interpersonal conflicts stem from low emotional intelligence. Understanding emotional intelligence helps improve both personal and professional relationships. So, we're going to talk about using ChatGPT to improve emotional intelligence. Number one, there's self management. Learn how to regulate your own emotional responses effectively. So, I'm going to put a prompt example and I'll share that with you right now. We're going to put that in there. So, the example is ChatGPT. I'm feeling very anxious about an upcoming presentation. Can you suggest some strategies to help me manage this anxiety? So let's see what it comes up with. So it's completely natural to feel anxious before a presentation. Here are several strategies you can use to manage and reduce your anxiety. So here it's giving you constructive information about uh, preparation and practice, positive visualization, breathing exercises, physical relaxation, and to establish a routine. Practical preparation, mindfulness, and grounding. So these are all very important strategies to deal with your anxiety. A tip is acknowledge and accept your emotions without judgment. So be aware using your emotional intelligence to accept if you make an error or something like that, to accept and acknowledge it. You can use strategies like physical preparation, quality sleep, healthy eating, light exercise, and reduced caffeine intake. Example 2. I'll put this into ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. So ChatGPT, I've been feeling quite stressed lately. Can you help me come up with a daily mindfulness routine to better manage my stress? Here is a simple and reflective mindfulness routine you can incorporate to help manage your stress. So, mindful breathing, gratitude journaling. These are all different ways of managing stress. You have afternoon, evening activity, 10 to 15 minutes. You could do a mindful walk, nighttime reflection and release, relaxation techniques. And it asks you whether you like more detail or adjustments to any part of this routine. You can use ChatGPT to come up with ways of dealing with stress. So suggestions may include morning breathing, mindful eating, scheduled breaks and body scans, evening reflections, or gratitude journaling. Social awareness. Become more attuned to the emotions and perspectives of others. There's another example here that I'm going to put into ChatGPT, and I'll share that with you now. So ChatGPT, my friend's upset because she didn't get the job she interviewed for. How could I have shown better empathy? So this is showing empathy for people around you or people that you interact with. So it came up with different ways to show empathy in that situation. So validate her feelings. I'm really sorry. That sounds disappointing. It's completely understandable to feel upset. Express genuine care. I know how much you wanted that role. It must be tough. Invite her to share more. Would you like to talk about how you're feeling? So these are all examples that ChatGPT came up with that simple prompt, how you could show better empathy towards someone. So listen actively and avoid giving immediate solutions. Validate her emotions without minimizing them. Offer support through understanding, not just quick fixes. We have another example here that I'm going to put into ChatGPT, and I'll show it to you now. We're asking, ChatGPT, I notice a colleague seems distressed at work today. What are some considerate ways I could check in with them. We're going to go into ChatGPT with that question. See, all these things you could put into ChatGPT and it'll give you pertinent information about how to deal with situations in life and stuff like that. I won't go through all of these, but I'll go through the first two. So, private and comfortable setting. Approach them privately and discreetly to avoid making them uncomfortable. Express genuine concerns. Say something simple and caring like, "Hey, I noticed you seemed a bit down today. Is everything okay? You seemed a bit stressed earlier. If you want to talk, I'm here." And there's a lot of other suggestions about how to communicate with someone who's feeling stressed or distressed at work. So ideas may include casual and open-ended questions like, "How have you been feeling lately?" You can offer space without pressure. You can provide support or assistance where needed. And the next section is going to be called relationship management. Strengthen your ability to resolve conflicts and build strong connections. So I'll put this into ChatGPT and see what it comes up with. Go to a new chat. So ChatGPT, I have a conflict with my roommate over shared responsibilities. Can we discuss some strategies to resolve this conflict? Absolutely. Resolving roommate conflicts, especially around shared responsibility, can improve your living environment. And here is some practical strategies to help you navigate and resolve this conflict. Find a neutral time when both of you are calm and available. Express your feelings without placing blame. Use I statements. Example, "I feel stressed when chores aren't completed on time." Clarify and agree on responsibilities. Clearly outline specific responsibilities together. Ensure each task is fairly distributed. Write down agreed upon responsibilities, and so on and so forth. So it helps you resolve conflicts within the situation that you're in. Emotional intelligence is a powerful life skill. ChatGPT can serve as a valuable tool for practicing and improving emotional intelligence in real world scenarios. Prompts are not therapy, but they offer effective, actionable advice similar to what professionals provide. So that's where I'm going to end off here, but I gave you some food for thought. So have a good day.